Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will basically show you a new tool that I added on my website freemediatools.com. So this tool allows you to track location of any IP address. So this is IP address to location tracker. So this is a tool, guys. The link is given in the description. You can check out the live demo which is deployed on my website freemediatools.com. So right here you need to input the IP address, guys. If I enter the IP address, click on get location info, you will see that location Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh, you will see that. So basically, you can enter any IP address all over the world. Let me change it, the number here. And now you will see the Giza, you will see Egypt. You can have any IP address here. It will tell you exact location of that. Seattle, Washington, US. So it's a pinpoint location. You can cross check as well by going to other websites as well. So you can see the Columbus, Ohio, US. So it's a very good tool, guys, and basically you can also cross-check by going to other websites as well, which offers the same service, IP address location tracker. So if you paste the same IP address and get location, click. So you will see Seattle. The city is Seattle here. You will see that. So our tool is correct, guys. So we will try to build this tool from scratch. We are using a Python script in the background in our Node.js Express application. And also we are using EJS as well, which is a template engine. So if you want the full source code, guys, of this tool, you can go to the description of the video and you can make the payment in Stripe and PayPal and you will get this directory structure. And you can make payment in Indian rupees or Stripe dollars as well. So check out the full description. So basically we will start from scratch. So basically we need to create a app.py file. This is a Python script we will create. And let me now show you how we did this. So first of all, let me show you the Python script, guys. So import request module, we will define a function here, get location. And we are expecting a IP address to be passed here. And then we are basically making a request to this IP info website and IO slash, then we will paste the IP address which are passed and slash JSON. And then we will parse this response by the request module, and it basically contains get method to open the URL, and then we will say if response.status code is equal to 200. In that case we will get the data, convert this to JSON and return that data. In the else block we will say that return nothing. That's all. This is a function, guys, very simple function. It makes the request to that endpoint and return the data to us. And now we will basically take the IP address from the user. So system.argv1. And for this we need to import the system module. And after we take this IP address, we can simply call that function, which is get location, pass the IP address. And then we can say if location data is available, in that case we will print out the location data with some formatting. You can see that. So we are printing out the city name and also we are printing out the region as well. You can see that. So on the country as well. So that's all, guys. This is a Python script, and now we will call this Python script in our index.js. So right here we will basically include all the dependencies right here at the top, which is Express. We also need the spawn dependency in order to call the Python script, which is coming from child process. We are making a new Express app, and we are setting the view engine, which is EJS, which is embedded JavaScript template. And you need to install these modules, guys, npm i express and EJS. These are the two modules you need to install. And after that, we are setting this body parser URL encoded express JSON while we are working with forms. And then we are basically rendering out this template, guys, free IP address, info undefined. So just make a views folder and just make a template index.ejs. So right here, this will be the template, guys, where we will have a simple form here. In this form, we will include the Bootstrap CDN right here at the top. So copy it after the title, paste it. So we will have the container class and IP address to location online, and then we will have a simple form, and action will go to IP address to location, and method will be post, and here we will have a input field and type text. So this is Bootstrap class, guys, form control, and we will give it a name attribute of IP address, and it should be required. So label here will be IP address, enter IP. Then, guys, we will have again a button to submit the form. We will say get location. So if you basically go to localhost 5000, you will see the interface. You can see here, this is the interface, guys, and here you will enter your IP address. Now need to make this post request. So inside the post request, IP address, location. So here we will first of all get the IP, and then we will say data to send, and we will create a new Python process. We will call this spawn module, and we will call the Python script here, Python, and then followed by the arguments. So first is the app name, app.py, and the actual IP. We can listen for this events, guys. When the data is on, we can listen for the data, and we can basically say data to send will convert the data to string by toString method. And when the process is over, we will have this exit event and the code will be returned to us. We will compare the code that if code is equal to 0, in that case, we need to re-render the template, which is this template index. So this time we will pass the data, which is the info data is equal to data to send. So right here we are passing this data to the EJS template, guys. And inside this template, we need to now show this data. So now to show this data, just after the form, guys, we can basically make you can see this is a EJS tag, guys. Percentage equal to, we are dynamically putting the variable right here. We are sending this info variable, we are printing it right here. So if you now refresh your application, put the IP address, click get location, cannot get, I think I made a mistake here. This needs to be IP address location. So yeah. So you can see unable to retrieve location information. I think if I console log the IP, so IP is printed out. So I think there is some kind of error in the Python script how we written. So let me just paste the correct code. The link is given, guys. You can directly purchase it. This is a code, and you can get system.argv. Let me see python app.py and then enter the IP address. So you can see it is printing out the location, Los Angeles, California, US. So the Python script is working. So I think it's just the code that we written right here. So sometimes the error may take place, guys, whenever you are writing it live. So what I will do, don't waste your time, simply copy the correct code, paste it. So here we are basically calling that. So if I refresh it, app.listen 5000. Uh, it is printing out. Oh, sorry, this is needs to be Python here, not Python 3. Uh, I paste this code as well. I don't know, guys, suddenly why this error has been taking place. Sometime in coding, guys, there is suddenly an error is taking place. I'm missing something. That's why. So I don't know, guys, what I am missing right here. You can, the code is correct. I have shown you in the beginning of the video. You can see that. If I Now you can see that location Seattle, Washington. You can see that, guys. Now it is working. It was just a matter of put the IP address. You will get your data. So the link is given, guys. You can try out the full live demo before purchasing the full source code. You will basically get a zip file where you get the source code of this application. Need to enter the IP address. You will get the location. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next one.